So today we are going to try the Hachioji Tokyo style shoyu ramen. Now this is a ramen that comes frozen with individual pieces. Let's see, I've opened up the package and in here contains noodles. Looks like a sauce packet and some meat and looks like bamboo. Bamboo. So the instructions are over here. Let's open it up. Let's see, heat the soup packet. Okay, looks like I gotta boil some water. So here we have the noodles. Looks like about done. The soup packet has been boiling. Looking good. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put this in my... Okay, so now this is done here. Yeah. So I'm going to take this right here. Let's see how this works. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Cut the lid. Plastic in here. And take the sauce and pour it in. Just warm it up for a minute. So let's try it. Let's get some soup. This is very good. This is very deep flavor, rich. Wow, this is just, could be just like a restaurant. Man, try some of the bamboo. The noodles are, this is really good for a frozen kit. Well, take a look at it more. Thank you, everyone.